Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will be explaining all about renewable energy working model. First of all, let us understand what is all about renewable energy. The renewable energy is nothing but it is the energy that we are going to generate from the natural resources that cannot be exhausted, that will be keep coming regularly, that is not exhaustible. That kind of energy we call it as a renewable energy, or the energy which comes under renewable energy. The first type of energy we normally can be generated using solar energy, which is from the sun. And the second one is from the wind, where we are generating wind energy using windmill, and electricity we are going to generate from the sun using the solar panels, and from the water, which is by constructing a water dams. So we are using that water, storage water, to generate electricity by using water turbines. Here, once the electricity is generated, that electricity we have used to lighten up the individual houses as well as farming. Now we are going to demonstrate how this renewable energy working model really works. Switching on the lights of this hydroelectricity working model, like this simulation we have done like a dam, water dam, where water we are releasing it from the dam, and from there, so use water turbines to rotate from the water force. So that way, so we are generating electricity. That is what we are indicated here with the light, that this turbine is rotating and electricity is getting generated. When we switch off the turbine, so electricity will be switching off. See, once we switch off the turbine, so electricity is gone. Now we are going to switch it on back. So now the electricity is generating it. The second type of energy we generate from the natural resource is wind energy. Now we are going to start the wind turbine, so that electricity is going to generate now by starting the wind turbine. So you can see, right? So wind turbine is rotating when there is electricity is getting generated, and that we are using it in agricultural fields as well as our farmhouse. So that is the way electricity is getting generated when this wind turbine is rotating. So when we switch off the wind turbine, so electricity is stopped working there. That is the second type of energy we are generating using renewable energy. And the third type of energy we are generating using solar panels. Using solar panels and sun, so we are generating electricity. So that is the third type of electricity we are generating. And whatever the electricity we are generating from hydroelectricity, we are also using electrifying street lights here. So that is the concept we wanted to explain in this working model, that we can generate electricity by using natural resources which are renewable, which will keep renewing without getting exhausted. That is a concept we wanted to explain in this working model. I hope you guys got a clarity what is all about renewable energy, what are its three different types of renewable energy working model. I clearly explained in this working model. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share it with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.